Hello everyone, I'm a Rainbow, and if you own a Quest 2, there is one thing you can count on. At some point, you're going to have to deal with controller drift. The cause of drift is no mystery. It's the joystick, also known as a transducer. If you're lucky, an electronic calibration or cleaning will fix it, but eventually it will get worse, and there's only three options. Replace the controller for $70 or so, rebuild the transducer for free, I've got a separate video for that, or replace the transducer with a new one for $10 or $15. I've got a link in the description to show you where you can get one from Amazon. Replacing the transducer itself isn't hard, but you've got to tear down your controller to do it. I'm not going to cover the entire teardown here, but I will point you to my very easy disassembly video so you can take it apart yourself. If you're worried that you don't have the tools you might need, you're in luck. This kit they sell on Amazon comes with everything you'd need to tear down the controller and replace the transducer. Once you've got everything loose, ribbon cables, etc., the board comes right out. Then you're going to pull the transducer and we're going to get the new transducer. That one looks it's black. The other one was a white nylon, doesn't really matter. This has a flat edge on it and it goes on the side away from that ribbon cable. And then when you get it on there, you're going to want to make sure it fits snug on the two little tabs on each side. I had to pinch mine down just a little bit to get it to stay there. Once you've got it, it's ready to go back in. Once you've swapped the transducer and started to put it back in, just follow my assembly video to get it all back together. Then you should be good to go. Good luck. I'm a Rainbow. Y'all be good or don't get caught. Take care.